Good day to you and welcome back. Today we are going to look into scripting a developer product for when you don't have enough cash. So right now, I was actually testing stuff here, so I'm going to delete this. And right now what happens is if we click on our chest, we say yes, right now it just prints that we don't have enough cash. And so today we are going to work on having it pop up a developer product that says, hey, you don't have enough cash, would you like to buy for Robux instead? So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to go to the script here, and I'm going to leave that there, and we need a couple new lines of code. So here's the page on the developer product in the wiki, and I'm going to get this code here. This is the client-side code. What I mainly want is this here. We need to get the marketplace service, and I'm just going to put that at the beginning of the script, right up there, and that needs to be a lowercase g. There we go. So we get the marketplace service, and then we want to prompt them to purchase. And product ID, I'm just gonna do that for now, and that's all good. Well, let's actually put in, gonna go up here, and we'll put it up here, and then we'll leave this down here. I just find it easier to copy paste sometimes. There we go. So now we have our service. Whoops, we have what we want. So let's try this out. So click it, we'll say yes, and that's an old one that's not for sale, but it pops up, and that's what I wanted to check. So that's all good. And now we gotta go actually make our own dev product. So I'm going to go over to, I've got my develop tab, my games, not places, you have to go to games, and then we're going to go here and configure the game, and then we're going to go developer products and create a new one, and let's say not enough cash, buy for Robux. Oops. And then we'll just make it 10, and we'll create it. Cool. And here's our ID, so we'll grab that, and then we'll go back here and we'll put that in this ID here. So let's try that out. Not enough cash. Cancel. Okay, so we need to change the name. Let's edit the name. Let's say buy open with Robux. Update that, and that'll be that. And then we need to add one more bit of code. I'm gonna insert script, and we'll name this our purchase handler script. And then we just need a few lines of code from here. Oops, wrong place. There we go. We're gonna get, we need marketplace service at the top so we can reference it. And then we're gonna do this here. and I can delete this. I don't need that right now. So what this is going to do is we have marketplace service, and then when we right now now that we have this, when we go to try and buy something, it'll grant us our purchase. And I believe this part that I just added can only be placed once in an entire game. So if you have other developer products, you'd have to integrate this into that. So you couldn't have multiple scripts that handle different developer products. It would have to be in one script handling the part that grants the player that purchase. So let's go ahead and test this quickly. And we'll go F5. And it's test purchase, and it was successful. Okay, sweet. So this is just going to be a short video. One thing you'll notice, if I go back here, I'd prefer that if I click here, if you don't have enough, it'll say, hey, you don't have enough, would you like to buy with Robux? And so in the next video we'll make this, we'll adjust the UI up a little bit so that we actually have another frame that'll pop in that says that. So until then, have a great day, and I'll see you later. And let's move this back up to 0.5 for now. And what we can do is we will go let's make, this is our text label. Let's go to the scripting. And we've already accessed our frames, so let's go here. And then what we'll do is we'll make a new frame. Right there, actually no.